So last class we discussed about how to create objects in SQL Server, table, view, function, procedure, everything. Now we will use in Power BI. Let me open SSMS again. So what is the server name we have? This is my server name. Notepad. My server name. I will take this. This is my server name. Click connect. Look at the database names. These are all the databases available. But we create our own database, DB7M1. This is a database having tables. Is this the one? No.
7 a.m. June.
This is a database having tables. Database having views. Databases having procedures, functions. Database having these objects. Please remember, view names. Procedure names are PR location. Function name is FN location. Tables are employee this. Then how do you bring data from this into Power BI? So Power BI accepts select statement data or a view data or a function data or procedure data, no other data. Only 4 types of data it will accept. Get data, SQL server, server name. What is your server name? I already copied. This is server name. Database name, not compulsory. But when you write something here, if you write something here, then this is compulsory. If you're not writing anything, this is not required. Import. Import means structure plus data comes to fields area. That is dataset area. And this is good for less volumes of data. In case your source is having less volume, this is good. But you have more volumes of data, just bring structure into this dataset. And you wrote a command. The command taking more time. Command taking more time, like here you wrote a statement. The statement taking more time. You are calling a procedure. The procedure calling take more time, like more than half an hour, more than 1 hour, etc. Then this one we need to mention. Ideally, it's not good running for longer time, half an hour, 1 hour, 3 hours. If it is really taking more time, no issues. Otherwise, take double the time and place it here. 1.5 time, place it here. For example, a query is running for 3 minutes. Mention maximum 5 minutes. If it is running more than 5 minutes, means definitely there is a bottleneck, performance issue. So try to kill the query, kill the session, kill the procedure process. So what is the advantage? Advantage is the CPU resources, the memory resources, system resources will be released from the respective object so that other objects may get the same. Other objects may get the same. If it is blocked to a particular resource, if it is blocked to a particular query or an object, the remaining objects may not get the resources. So it's a very good practice and wise practice, mentioning command timeout. But for this, you need to take the help of administrator and your senior technical people, multiple other people. Right. Now, import. I'm not mentioning anything, only server name I mentioned. Automatic mode is import. Click OK.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what type of commands can we write in that optional thing?
Yes, SQL commands.
What we write in the SQL SSMS, same commands.
Yes, same commands.
So then what? Then there is.
Let me finish, Ramesh. Let me finish.
Okay.
Okay. I'll show you each and every piece of information.
Okay.
Right. Now go to this is the server name database. Server name. Which database? This is the database we created yesterday. And see what it is showing. It is showing tables, showing views, showing functions. What about procedures? Tables, views, functions, is it showing? So procedures is showing? No procedures, it is showing. Now I will go to one view. I will go to one table. See the preview. This is table data preview. View data preview. What about function? This function having arguments. So this function having argument, we need to pass the arguments. I will pass here argument location Hyderabad. Click apply. When you click Hyderabad and apply, it will show you Hyderabad data. Total how many objects? One view, one table, one function. Function I pass the argument. I'm able to see the data. Click load. From 3 objects, we got the data. Go to data view. This is function data. Kindly look at this. This is table data. Look at this. View data. One second. Right. So we are able to get function data, table data, view data. This is import mode. Now I will go to get data, Power SQL server, mention the server name, Sir, what about procedure? Procedure should be called separately. If you recollect yesterday also I told you, procedures are executed by using exec statement or execute statement. The functionality is completely different from function, table, views, etc. So we need to call procedures also here separately. So how do we call? Go to advanced option. Here we write it. How many procedures? We have 2 procedures. I want first procedure data. The first procedure name is PR. PR is the first procedure. I want to bring the data from this. So go to this, mention PR. One more thing I told you, when you write something here, compulsory database name is required. And what is the database name here? DB 7am June. DB 7am June is the database. Now go to this. What if I click OK? I mentioned this, I'm clicking OK. What happens? Try clicking OK. It's showing warning. Not possible. See this, not possible. So what to do? Mention it. How do you mention? DB 7am June. Shall I click OK? So what is the mode we are getting? Import mode. What is the mode of import? Come on.
Shows the data
Where you want to get very good knowledge. It's all helpful in the real time while working. 100% we work with the database in the real time. 100% we work, no doubt in that. You will not get Excel files and all. That time these two play major role. To bring the data from a database, which mode you want to go? Import or direct query. Depending on the situation, you may go for import or you may go for direct query. Even sometimes direct query you have taken. You want to convert to import mode. Sometimes you took import mode. As part of performance improvement, you want to convert direct query mode. How do you do it without getting good knowledge? So focus on this. Import indicates structure and data. So this server, this database, structure and data comes from the procedure. Click OK. Last month, more than 15 people informed me that they got jobs. More than 15 people, not 1 or 2. I have all the screenshots. You want me to share with you? With the numbers, I will share. More than 15 people. They inform me, whoever informed me. I don't know how many selected. I'm expecting more than 30 or 40 people got jobs last month. I'm sure. Because consulting people told me, the people who have given fakes, 3 to 4 people call me. Sir, 5 people took from my side complete documentation. Complete documentation they take whenever they got the job and they're joining it. But those people are ready to join organizations, join. Within good notice, without notice period. Even a couple of people got very good joining bonus. One student got 1.7 lakh joining bonus. 1.7 lakh joining bonus. Human company. That's the demand of Power BI. Learn properly, you will get it. No doubt in that. So this is, I'm clicking load. See the query one indicate procedure data. Click on it. Rename. Proc data. Ready. You joined an institution for course. You need to know whether students are getting selected or not. Last 1 week, I will show you. Akhil Reddy. I don't know whether I showed you or not. Thank you, sir. On Tuesday. Sorry, sir. Friends ఉన్నారు మీకు అందుకే కాల్ చేసి 7.5 అని చెప్పాను బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ 8 lakhs వచ్చింది మీ శాలరీ బ్రేక్ పంపించాడు he kept 2.5 years of experience just 2.5 he got 8 lakhs package and got offer in Accenture last Sunday. Hi sir, got offer in Accenture application development analyst for Power BI. And not only that, he referred his friend also. Now one more. Hari. Just last batch student. Hari. ఇంకా ల్యాప్టాప్ అసైన్ చేయలేస్తా సార్ అన్ని ఫైనల్ మెటీరియల్ ఆఫ్ పవర్ బై ఇంకా చదువుతూనే ఉంటాడంట ఎస్టర్డే హాయ్ సార్ ఐ జాయిన్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎస్ సార్ నా ఫ్రెండ్ జాయిన్ అవుతానంటే మీ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చాను క్లాస్ ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి దిస్ వీక్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ షోయింగ్ లాస్ట్ వీక్ ఓన్లీ హాయ్ సార్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ యాజ్ ఐ డిస్కస్ విత్ యూ లాస్ట్ టైమ్ ఓవర్ ఫోన్ ఎస్టర్డే ఐ గాట్ ద ఆఫర్ ఫ్రమ్ Kindred Group PLC. Thanks a lot for your help. Like this, around 7 to 8 in the last week only. These are not created by me or any other messages. Right, sir. So whoever approaching me for help, yes, I'm doing it. Whoever not approaching, తెలియదు కనుక నేను హెల్ప్ చేయలేను అప్రోచ్ అయిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఇంటర్వ్యూ టిప్స్ నుంచి అన్నీ ఇస్తున్నానండి పర్సనల్గా కాల్ చేస్తుంటారు మాట్లాడతారు డెడికేట్గా ఉంటారు నేనైతే హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నాను ఎవరైతే రారో ముందుకు రారో వాళ్ళని హెల్ప్ చేయలేను కానీ చేసేవాళ్ళు చేస్తుంటాను రెజ్యూమ్ మాడిఫై చేస్తాను సార్ టుడే ఈ అమ్మాయి వీళ్ళ హస్బెండ్ నేర్చుకున్న నా దగ్గర జాబ్ ప్లేస్ అయ్యారు అప్పటి నుంచి ఈ అమ్మాయి మొదలు పెట్టారు వాళ్ళ హస్బెండ్ చెప్పాడు సార్తో టచ్లో ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళ రెక్టిఫైస్ రెజ్యూమ్ చూడాల్సిందే వాళ్ళ హస్బెండ్ చెప్పారు అంటే కొంతమంది నేను నచ్చకపోవచ్చు తర్వాత విషయం నచ్చే వాళ్ళకి అయితే నచ్చుతాం కొంతమంది మంచి ఆచార్య అంటారు కొంతమంది ఉంటారు రకరకాలుగా అమ్మాయి రాసింది వాళ్ళ హస్బెండ్ జాబ్ కొట్టాడు వాళ్ళ హస్బెండ్ రికమెండ్ నువ్వు కూడా బాగా నేర్చుకోవాలి అమ్మాయి నేను రెజ్యూమ్ చూస్తాను కోర్స్ అయిపోయింది ఇలా ఉంటారండి మా ఫ్యాన్ ఫాలోయింగ్ మాకు ఉంటుంది కొంత సో నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే మీకు కూడా ఎవరికైనా హెల్ప్ కావాలి ఏ హెల్ప్ కావాలన్నా రండి చేసి పెడతాను నా వరకు వీలైనంతా చేస్తూనే ఉంటాను ఎంఐ ఐబీఎంలో జాబ్ కావాలి నాకు సపోర్ట్ కావాలంటే ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసేవాళ్ళండి అది నెంబర్ ఇచ్చాను సార్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఫైండ్ సమ్మన్ ఎల్స్ ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ నో నెంబర్ ఇచ్చాను వాళ్ళు బిజీగా ఉన్నారంట వాళ్ళు గర్ల్స్ చేయరండి సపోర్ట్ వాళ్ళు గర్ల్స్ సపోర్ట్ చేయన్నారు మరి ఇంకో నెంబర్ ఇవ్వాలి దానికి Maximum attend చేస్తున్నాండి స్టూడెంట్స్ అన్ని. సో ఇప్పుడు ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ వచ్చిన తప్ప మ్యాక్సిమం అటెంప్ట్ చేశారు. మేబీ ఇది కూడా లాస్ట్ నైట్ అయి అనుకుంటా. టెన్ 24 అప్పటి వరకు చూస్తున్నాను. అన్న అంటే ఓకే అన్న, రేపు రమ్మంటారన్న. ఒక్కసారి లొకేషన్ పంపించేస్తాను. అబ్బాయి ఆన్లైన్ అబ్బాయి ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాస్కి వస్తా ఉన్నారు. ఆఫ్లైన్ వచ్చి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఒక్కసారి ఓకే చూస్తానండి. రైట్ సార్, విల్ కంటిన్యూ నౌ. సో ఫంక్షన్ టేబుల్ వ్యూ ప్రొసీజర్. Now go to home menu, get data, SQL server, mention server name. I want to write my own query and bring the data. Go to advanced options, select start from human resource.emp, where e-location equal to Mumbai. Server name, import mode, select statement. These kind of statements only we write it. Ramesh, these kind of statements we write. Either SQL statement, select statement, or call a procedure. And the select statement may be complex with the joins, subqueries, etc., or any other.
Sir, then what is the required for writing in SSMS directly we can do here? Will it be if we create a database there, statements we can write here? Is it any complex?
If it is a simple statement, you write it and bring. But I want to do set of operations. I want to do set of operations and finally bring the data. And that should be reusable. How is it possible? Multiple people want to use the same view, same statement. How is it possible? In case changes happen in the database side, you want to take the changes. It's not that much easy. That's the reason the concept of view, procedure, function, etc. we create. If it is simple statements, you can write here. But complex, more operation statements, we never write here. We'll prefer a procedure or a view or function depending on the functionality. Okay, Ramesh?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now comment timeout. I mentioned 4. That means the statement can run maximum 4 minutes. If it is crossing 4 minutes, it stops the process. Click OK. So it's asking me this because I mentioned the statement DB 7 AM June. Click OK. Click load.
Sir, if you forgot to enter the time, then what will happen?
Nothing will happen. It will keep on running, keep on running.
Okay, the memory utilization should be high.
Yeah, memory utilization, CPU utilization, the system resources utilization will be more.
Okay.
Maybe blocked sometimes. However, not responding mode happens for a couple of objects in our system level. The same way, the query in the not responding state. So this is the one. We got it from the query. This one. Mumbai. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
No. So we wrote our own query and brought the data. Next, get data, SQL server, server name. I want to bring direct query data, not data, direct query objects. Click OK. What is direct query? Structure and data retrieval concept. Now asking me which data. I want employee data. I want Mumbai view Hyderabad data. Click load. Ready. Go to this. What it is saying me? See, this is the first time I took this one. Import mode, you are able to see. This is direct query mode. Are you able to see the data?
No.
Not able to see. Direct query data you can't see. Yes. And what do you call this mode in the down? System calling the mode as mixed mode. Why mixed mode?
Because there is
Combination of import and direct.
These direct query. These are import. And the combination of these is definitely mixed. Now, sir, can you take only direct query and show me? I will minimize it. One more desktop I will take. Get data. SQL Server. Server name. Direct query. Click OK. I will go for this. I will take view Hyderabad. Take view Hyderabad and Mumbai to click load. So what it is showing me here? These two direct query. And one view is not available. What is that? Data view. We have a report view, we have model view, but we don't have data view. Why? In the direct query, pure direct query, what is the need of data view? Only you got structure, no data, then data view not required. But why it was showing earlier? That is mixed mode. Wherever import available, remember, wherever import available, there we have mixed mode. There we have data view. This is required in case of import. Sir, we got it. You are able to say this is direct query, this is import. But how do I identify? How do I identify? When you place cursor over there, it will show you. Function import mode, so and so time got the data. Table import mode, so and so time got data. Procedure import mode, so and so time got data. View import mode, so and so time got data. View Hyderabad import mode, so and so time got data. Clear? Okay. I'm done, guys. I'm done. Next one. You decided. First problem I will tell you, and then decision. This is a table. You are using from this Chennai one employee ID column, from this employee name column, from function join date column, something like this you are using. You can use it. I take one more. Relationships not available. That's the reason it is not taken. No problem. So this is a table. You are using normal. You are using direct query. So do you know what happens? For the normal column data, it will go to local and bring the data. For employee name, it will go to respect to database and bring the data. Mixed culture, mixed operation. The fields from import mode will bring it from the desktop. The fields from the direct query, it will hit the database and bring it. Do we lose the performance or not? Absolutely, we lose the performance. So in the situation you may decide, I don't want this kind of mixed culture in this. We will convert this to import mode. So this is the only one direct query I want to convert to import mode. You can convert. Only this one you want to convert? Yes, you can convert, but go to modeling area. Modeling area level. Go to the respective table. Modeling area, respective table. This is import. Maybe this is direct query. Go to this, properties, advanced option, modeling, direct query, advanced option level, change it to import. What is it asking? Babu, you want to change this table mode to import? Yes, okay. See, which way it is showing now? Orange bounded. Earlier blue color bounded, right now orange bounded. This object is orange bounded now. That means import mode. You can go to this, you can see the data. It is showing the data. Even you can go to this. Still, what is the mode it is showing? Why mixed mode?
Oh, there is
another query in direct query.
Another query available.
Hyderabad.
Normal. This is normal. Now import mode. Import. Oh, this is direct query. Even this one you want to do the change. How do you do that? Go to modeling menu. Change. Only one you want to do, but all at a time you want to do. Then storage mode, click on it. Switch all tables to import. Click switch.
Sir, vice versa possible?
I will tell you, sir. I'll tell you. Give me a moment. Now, what is the mode here? Nothing it is showing, which indicate import mode. Edi కనిపించట్లేదంటే ఏ mode అది? Import mode. So right now, all the queries in import mode. Converted. Now I will go here. Second desktop item is purely direct query. You decided, as it is a direct query, no data, pure direct query. Even I want to convert these two into import mode. Click on this. Switch all tables to import. Click on it. Then this is data. Data view. We got the data view. Right now, these are import. I will conclude now. Mixed mode or direct query to import possible with simple click. But direct query or mixed mode, import or mixed mode to direct query. No direct option. We need to do manually with a process defined. No data, you can bring the data easily because structure available. No data, you can bring the data easily because structure available. But data and structure available, you want to remove the data. BA applications are not designed for removal of data. I told you in the Power Query. They are meant for loading. You want to refresh, take the data. But You want to delete it, deletion not possible. Deletion, updation, B applications never perform. So you will not get an option to delete the data if the table having data. If that is the case, you will to do manually the process. Hence, you are not able to find that option. Mixed mode, when you click it, it was showing switch all table to import. And direct query, when you click on it, it was showing convert all tables to import mode. But there's no concept like changing to direct query because we need to do it manually. I hope online people, I addressed your question.
Yes, sir.
Right. So the mode successfully completed. Now I will go to material. This material, already this material with you. We'll see some differences. We will see some FAQs. Differences between load, import, direct query, and connect live. What are the differences? These are all your sources. Please look at this. These are all your sources. If data volume is less in all these areas, go to import data and move to this. In these sources, data volume is less. Go to import data and move to this. In case more data in the database, then go to direct query. Only structure will come. More data available in the cube, then take live connection option. So structure will come. This is from cube. This is for more data, more data. Less data, any source import is available. But files level automatic mode is import, no doubt. Files level no direct query, files level no live connection. This picture clear for everyone?
Yes.
Now take a moment and go through these options, the difference between import, direct query and all. Ask me which option you guys are not clear. Go through this.
I sir, ఒక చిన్న డౌట్ ఈ డేటా రిఫ్రెష్ రిక్వైర్డ్ మాన్యువల్ ఆర్ షెడ్యూల్డ్ either 8/48 ఉన్నది అది ఏంటి సార్ అది కంపల్సరీ రిఫ్రెష్ చేయాలి సరే ఇంపోర్ట్ మోడ్ ఉంటే.
Any question from here? Online people? Any questions?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
so what is the only report view available for Connect Live option, sir? As SSS, as inbuilt.
Yeah, the direct query, Connect Live, both are same.
Yes, but it should be having the model view also, right? There is only
Model view also,
report,
correct. Model view and report view both.
because there's mostly a report view option as a SSS as inbuilt model.
Correct.
And one more, this tabular model differences. What does it signify, sir? SSS tabular model.
That is analysis services cube concept actually. Ignore that point.
సరే ఇది డేటా రిఫ్రెష్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఉంది కదా, మాన్యువల్ ఆర్ షెడ్యూల్డ్?
Yeah, import level compulsory required.
ఓకే సార్. ఇంకొక చిన్న సో డైరెక్ట్ క్వెరీ అండ్ కనెక్ట్ లైవ్ లో ఓన్లీ మనకు స్ట్రక్చర్ మాత్రమే వస్తుంది. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ కంపల్సరీ వి నీడ్ టు ఇంపోర్ట్, రైట్ సార్, టు గెట్ ద
No need to import. It will bring automatically at live. So when you are browsing the report, automatically it will get the data from the database.
ఓన్లీ స్ట్రక్చర్ మాత్రమే వస్తుంది కానీ డేటా మాత్రం డేటాబేస్ నుంచి ఆటోమేటిక్ గా తీసుకుంటారు సార్.
Automatically మీరు browse చేసినప్పుడు వచ్చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
See, almost all applications, take any BA application, SAP BO, Cognos, and MicroStrategy, any BA application you do, including Tableau, any BA application, they have direct query concept only. First time, the concept of import added to Power BI. Power BI can only store data, Power BI can only manage data, Power BI can only model data and then present it. Direct query anyway common. Direct query anyway common. Are you okay? So this is a default concept available everywhere. But Power BI level import is added.
ఓకే సార్.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
So one more time intelligence capabilities point. What is that signifies? Because it has only for direct query and import mode.
Yes, that comes under DAX operations. That comes under DAX operations. So those functions have limitations. In import mode level, no limitations.
Sir, what are pre-aggregations?
Pre-calculations, some average, minimum, maximum. Those are all, if you create before operations, that is called pre-aggregations. Pre means before operations, you can go for aggregate or calculations. That is pre-aggregation.
So one more, why there is a column empty for Connect Live when it is a combination of import and direct query mode, right?
Connect Live is for only cubes.
Only cubes. So
This picture also talking about it. Okay, kindly go through it and ask me questions in the next session. No worries. Now we'll finish remaining questions in this current topic. How to change from direct query to import? Simply go to respective mode and do it. And how to change from import mode to direct query? There's a lot of process available. That process you need to follow. Difference between query and list. Mixed mode, combination of import and direct query. How do we identify which mode currently you are in? Status bar. And right now there is one more option, that is go to table, mouse hover, then also you find it. This is one more way. And go to model view. table, properties, advanced. There also you find it. Which mode can we convert from mixed mode? Import mode only we will convert from mixed mode. Changing mode from direct query to import. You know very well. In the status bar, you need to click on it to convert from one mode to another mode. How do we select all queries? It's a question actually. So far we worked on only one query copy. For example, 5 queries at a time, I want to create a copy. Copy and paste. Possible. Control C, Control V, but keep shift on that. No, a single line. Which mode is recommended in real time? Asking is wrong. Not recommendation. If more volumes available, no doubt you should go to this. Only one concept. If less volumes available, this is the concept. So one more wrong question. Sir, which one we use frequently? Wrong. Depending on the data volume, we use it. Not which one. If the data volume is more, no doubt you go for direct query because import does not support. If the data volume is less and you want fastest operation, go for import mode. It will improve the performance. Data volume is less, but you are going for direct query, performance decreased. Less volumes, if you go for direct query, performance decreased. Less volumes, you should go to import mode. Next, what happens in case of import mode? This is the last question. Data comes from sources to Power BI. And this desktop occupies memory. So this memory is called as in-memory. Please look at the word. The first application in the market which has in-memory is tabular model. So tabular model is application which has in-memory. After tabular model, the in-memory mechanism added to Power BI. In-memory indicate in the memory the data, structure, everything available for operations. To handle it faster, Microsoft designed a separate engine called Vertipack engine. What is the engine? Vertipack. This memory, this engine only making Power BI to perform operations faster and to modeling faster. These two. Remember these words. Remember these two. Shall I?
Yes.
Right.